Okay, Sea Leg Crew, while we're sitting here, I'm going to show you some of the phone app that we have going on. You log yourself in, okay, and you have all the different days of the week here. Oops, I got that down. Y'all can see it, don't I? It ain't going to work. You have to do it this way. So the days of the week are right here. We're on day 2, morning. At 11:30 to 12:30, we have a massage. How about that? The afternoon. Hey, do we have something booked for Derek Ostanavi?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have something booked for Derek Ostanavi at 2 o'clock. I don't know what that is. I hope it's not roller skating with a buffalo herd.
He's an entertainer.
He's an entertainer? He's not going to entertain us by roller skating in a buffalo herd, is he?
I don't know.
Okay. And then tonight at 7 o'clock, we have the test kitchen. I'm really looking excited. I'm really looking forward to that. It's going to be awesome, y'all. So if you want to see what else you got, let's go to day 3. There's day 3. What do we got for day 3? We got the Razzle Dazzle restaurant for breakfast tomorrow. Yes, you actually have to make reservations for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Which I think is stupid.
But she thinks it's stupid.
I think it's stupid.
It is. But that's what we have to do. We have found though that you can wait for people to cancel and you can still walk in.
Which I think is also stupid.
Yeah. And in the afternoon from 12 to 5, we got the Mexican cuisine and workshop and tasting over in Cozumel, Mexico. Hope y'all are ready to see that. And then that evening at 7 o'clock, we have the Wake. What is the Wake? Is that a restaurant?
Yeah.
Okay, some kind of restaurant.
The Virgin app is pretty easy to use, but if you need help, go to Deck 5 Sailor Services. There's someone there to help you 24 hours a day.
If you would like to support this channel, please consider becoming a member or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.